service call of today. It's a walk-in cooler, not cooling properly, and this condenser, this walk-in cooler box is not the best walk-in cooler in the world. Far away from being one of them. I don't know if you can see, but the condensing unit right now is off. No ice on the evaporator. You can see light through. I checked the other evaporator and it's also clean. But it's clean. It's off right now and it's showing 39 degrees. You can see the temperature inside right now is 43 degrees, so it's not really good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up on a roof, pass some pressure readings, make sure that everything is fine, and if that's the case, we're gonna come back and check the controllers and see why they're working so warm. Alright, I'll see you up on the roof. The condenser unit motor is seized. Yep. I'm gonna call my office and find out if they wanna do something about this too. Yeah, the condenser unit is not that one, it's this one. That's the sandwich cooler. This is the one that I'm looking for. Sorry about my mistake. Let's see what is happening. I just talked to my office and I just sent the info about that condenser fan. It's also dying. Finally we got nice weather over here. But anyways, it's gonna rain this weekend. This weekend is Mother's Day. It's gonna be raining Saturday and some showers on Sunday. Yeah, she pumped down. So anyways, we're running the same situation. Sorry, this is not 404. It doesn't matter at this point, but compressor is warm, so probably was running a few minutes ago. But yeah, she's in the pump down condition. So let's take a look. And again, like, I don't think we got a defrost timer over here because those big units, they got the defrost timer incorporated in the board. Yeah. Alright, let's just make sure that she's not calling for cooling. And then, if she's not calling for cooling, we're gonna go downstairs and see why she's not cooling. Or why she's not calling. Let's take a quick reading at the coil. Make sure that the coil is not energized. Yeah, she's not calling. Alright, we're gonna go downstairs and see why she's not calling for cooling. My remote key doesn't work anymore. Now it's a pain in the ass to get in and out of my truck. Let's grab the jack. I'm gonna need it. See it, but it's in defrost now. 42 degrees. That's the master. So let me grab a ladder and we'll see what we got. What is? Still in defrost. You can see it's master over here. That's me. We're gonna bypass the defrost, and I believe it's here. By doing the reset time in this defrost, in this beacon 2 units, you can bypass the defrost cycle. This walk-in cooler, these evaporators, they use air for defrost. They don't use electric heater. These are the relays for the for the electric heater in case if you use it. But in this type of evaporator for walk-in coolers, you don't need electric heaters. They use airflow to defrost the coil in case if it is frozen. So right now this DRN, that means that it's draining the previous cycle, which is defrost. Another thing that you can, the way to identify which one is master or slave is you have the master, you have the other wire, the other set of wires to control the other unit. Yeah, here we go. Now we are in cooling. So go back to the condenser unit and see what we got. Alright, she's running now. See what kind of pressures we got. There is no bubbles in the side glass. I got the feeling that the set point is kind of is too high. We'll see. She's pumping down already. It can be. Pump down. Alright, that box is not right. She's satisfying too quickly. The box, it was already like, what, 42 degrees? I don't think that she dropped the temperature already so quickly. Let's take a look at the controller. Something is not right over there. See you there. I don't know what she used to read the temperature over here. I don't see any thermometer. So let me grab mine. Alright, the box right now, according to the unit, is 40 degrees. She's calling for cooling again. So she went to 38. Looks like the 38 is the set point. We're gonna take a look at that. This is my thermometer. It's still dropping. It's on the 43 right now. And it's still dropping. Alright, let's take a look at this. Make sure that we are where we're supposed to be. In this type of controller, you can go to program review, and from there they gave you a basic list. See, that's the type of defrost we use in air. That's the type of refrigerant, 22. And this is the box temperature that we're looking for, 38. So she's calling for 38 degrees, so she's fine. We can probably drop it a little more. The superheat that she's looking for is 8, which is normal. Superheat. This is asking if this unit is a slave, and it's not. This is, I believe, the number of defrosts per day. Yeah, number of defrosts. Got 4. Too many. For a cooler like this, I believe once a day that's enough. So we're gonna change that. Well, let's go with 2 and see what happens. So we got 4, we go into 2. Yeah, time. The defrost time, 40 minutes. temperature 50. Which is fine. We don't want it going too high. DFS. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. That's it. The only thing that I don't like is the amount of defrost. I mean, for a walking, if this is a walking freezer, 4 defrost cycles per day, that's normal. But for a walking cooler, 4 cycles of defrost per day is way too much. Yeah, 20. You don't need 40 minutes. This is not a freezer. I don't know why the controller has been set up for so many defrost cycles for so long. Probably gonna drop 2 degrees. See, so in this controller, you got this. Sorry, I didn't show you this. In this controller, you got this little dial. You can spin it with your finger. So if you have a thermostat screwdriver, you can spin it. So we're gonna drop it 2 degrees. We're gonna leave it at 36. Okay. Why it was so low? Okay, let's put it 36 degrees. This is delay. After the delay, she's gonna call for cooling, and we're gonna see if she goes down to the temperature. All right. The temperature right now is a lot better. It's 37 degrees. And she passed the 38 set point that she got before. Now she's looking for 36. She's gonna reach in a few minutes. When that happens, she's gonna go and pump down. The condenser unit is gonna stop. I guess 36 is way too low. I guess she's having problems passing the 36 degrees, so we're gonna just put 37. There you go. Degrees. I believe it's fine. We're gonna leave it on 37 instead of 36. I believe it's too low. Another thing that I noticed is they have this soda system for the soda fountain, but this compressor is running non-stop, and it is really hot. So that is putting a lot of heat inside the box. And something is bleeding air or whatever that is. It's bleeding constantly. I know the compressor has to run to maintain the pressure, and then that's it. But this one has been running since I get over here non-stop. So I believe she's gonna be fine. Alright. Walking cooler is running. I got 42 suction pressure, 197, 198 discharge. So it's pretty much alright. No bubbles in the side glass. Condenser coil is clean. The fan is also good. The compressor is not overheating. So that's it. Alright guys, thank you for staying, thank you for watching, see you in the next one.